Serpent Survival here, coming to you from the 4Runner with the First Aid Kit 2.0 from my friends at Blue Ridge Overland Gear. This is a piece of kit I've looked at for a while, and I'm glad to finally have it in my hands. So we'll start on the outside. Here on the bottom, this is actually an upgraded feature from the original. My buddy Rick Stowe was talking about it on the YouTube channel. So I have a cat tourniquet on here with bungee straps, and this will actually fit multiple types of tourniquets because these bungee straps are adjustable. So now getting to the inside of the kit. Set this out here in the seat so y'all can see it. So, of course, here's a lot. Here's an additional tourniquet to the one on the kit, and always keep one in the door. You never know when you come up on a multi-trauma event. Here's some tape. Here's some quick clot combat gauze. Here's an Elias modular bandage. Here's some compressed gauze from North American Rescue. I have 2 of those in there. Just some instructions for the kit, because you could hand this to somebody else and they might not know how to do anything, so that's always handy to have. Here's some shears, space blanket, and a dual pack of chest seals. So this is just the med kit. I have multiple Blue Ridge Overland Gear products in here, and there will be more content coming soon taking a look at my rig. Now, another thing I think is really cool about this kit is this tearaway pouch. I have some extra Coban and gloves and compressed gauze in here, but I just thought that was really cool and wanted to highlight it separate from the rest of the kit. One more thing about this is a really cool attachment too, because I demonstrated self-rescue, but any passenger in the vehicle can get to it, or it's just really easy to get to if somebody else had to get it. So that's just something else I wanted to add. Make sure to go check out Blue Ridge Overland Gear.